Yo, what is up, everybody? It's your boy, Dylan PG Game. Okay, that just felt weird to say. I'm sorry. Wait. Shoot. I don't have Robux. I don't have any Robux. That's why you all need to subscribe. If you guys want to see some cool VIP servers. Okay, so anyways, today we are going to be playing Don't Press the Button 4. Does this thing actually have any... No. Okay, get out of my life, please. Does this thing have any... thank you for playing. Fade Week 2 badge. Screen cut. That's way too late. Okay. Oh, I was about to say, wait, I'm sorry. I think that, shift lock should be on. The automatic should be clear down. Knowledge, I don't have any of that. Oh, I don't have any of that. Oh. Spleef. What's a spleef? Oh, no! Oh, boy. Oh boy! Okay, I'm gonna come over here. Oh boy! Wait, I can't jump! No. No. Yo, what is up, everybody? I'm Dylan PG Gaming. Today I'm going to be playing. I'm kidding. No, don't. I'm going to. Okay, no. Why is this all the way up? Because that's worse than burping. Jump over the. Okay. Okay. Oh shoot! Come on, Riker. No, you cannot do anything on my bed. So I can't park on it? No. What on earth is this thing? Nope. Riker, stop. I'm making a video. You're acting extremely sus. Bad weather. Uh oh.
Because your videos are so
button pressing. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Stay away from me. Oh my gosh. Give me my 100 coins. Oh shoot! Wait, am I part of the group? No, I'm not part of the crew. Oh my gosh! Okay, go that way. I got straight up murdered. Wait, since I died once, do I have to die a second time? Who knows? I'm also adding music to this right there, so I mean you can just go. Shoot! 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 It's not. Oh. Is right. Yeah, I got hit. Okay. Slide down. Wee! Hey, a slide. Riker, don't touch me. Go! Go! It's not funny. Gosh. Okay, so that was a big troll.
Ow.
Slide down. Okay, let's do it. Oh, no, I don't. It's a little sussy. It's a little sussy. Keep me up here. I can't buy gravity. I can't do this. I can't do that. Whoa! Oh. Oh, no. Bread.
Dad, I'm gonna mute it.
Bread.
Dad, I'm gonna mute
No, you're not. You're funny.
3.
Vacation. Yeah, vacation. No.
Okay.
Yeah, we got some chocolate milk.
3,
Milk.
2,
Milk it.
1.
Milk it, girl. Milk it. Come on, milk it. Oh, okay. Okay. So, okay, guys. So, come on. Here. No, it's mine. Open daily award instant. No. Ow. Bam. With summer vacation. Yeah. Ooh, there's a ball. Milk it, ball. Get wreck. Go. Can't wait for Riker to buy, pay for a copyright claim or something. Is it a copyright claim or copyright, something? Gotta go fast. 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 Okay, guys, so, I can't wait to get a lot of money from, YouTube and, Riker not too, because he's gonna pay for copyright. If there's a copyright strike. Yay, if there's a copyright claim or copyright strike, you're paying for it. Well, no, it's a copyright strike. It's not a copyright claim. Oh, no! Oh, boys! Yeah, that looks a little sus. I always wanted to go out of Earth. Oh. It killed me. Take me! Oh. They gave up. Storm. Wait, why are we going back? Don't worry, I got the fence. Mwah! Ah, ah, ah. Oh. Okay, guys, gotta press it from a distance. Reach the bottom. Oh yes, the dropper time. Oh shoot. Oh, I still made it. Yay. Gotta go fast. Button presser. So, can I get my body on there? Okay, but you're paying for a copyright strike if there's one. Go, 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 go. Click! Click! Okay, one sec. Let me go unplug my TV real fast. One sec. I'm kidding. I'm kidding right here. But still, he's paying for a copyright strike if there's one. Gotta go fast. Gotta go fast. Get to the other side. Oh, great. I'm dead. I'm dead. Guys? Okay, guys. I'm dead. Go. Go. I'm dead! They can't hear. Can't breathe. O-M-J. Because there's gonna be music, so I have to be loud, so then they can hear me over the music. Wait. Oh, come on. Reach the top. Okay. Without being murdered? Oh, shoot. Hop! Oh. Hop! Oh, come on. I did not touch that whatsoever. Okay. You reach the bottom. Ooh. Ooh! Come on, I didn't even touch it. Freak of nature. Find the Bloxy-Cola. I know exactly where it is. Get it. Get it. I got 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 it, guys. Guys, look at me. I got it. I got the Bloxy-Cola. Oh, you do too? Oh, me. I want to click it. Watch out. Anyone has a sword. Okay. Okay. Screw you. I'm just gonna get my Bloxy-Cola and chomp it. Nom 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 nom. Wait, I'm gonna act like one of those YouTubers that shake their camera when they talk. Yo, what's up, everybody? I'm Dylan Mr. Gaming. Today I'm here going to be playing a game called Press That Button. Yay! So I'm so excited to play. Make sure to subscribe, like, and hit the bell. Bye, guys. I'm kidding. But still.
You're done?
No! I'm not done. Why would I be done? Wait, why? Yo, what's up, everybody? I'm doing gaming. Oh. I want to click this dying button. Get ready.
It's over.
Yeah! Oh, man, come on. I don't care, Riker.
Now you can quiet down.
No. Jump over this spinning laser. Oh, screw it. Wait, which way is it going? Okay, this way. Go! Go! Yeah! Don't worry, I don't ever... Okay, maybe sometimes. I will have to. Oh, no! Okay, yep, I jumped a little too early. Yeah, so... Wait, who joined me? Oh. Dumb laser. There. Dumb laser. Screw you. Oh, shoot. Wait, get... go to the color. What color? Which color is it? Oh, okay. Just stay on the one. Okay, go. Oh, jump! Hot Cheetos. Guys, I'm done. Back it up. Okay, let's do this. Oh wait, what? No. Okay, go to red. Even though that I got the right one, I still died. Okay. Oh my gosh. Come on, hurry up. Okay. Click that button. Okay. Just die. Die. I wasn't going to live in anyway. I was not gonna. I wasn't gonna win. Crouch. Crouch. Control. Okay. Okay. Dang. They should do this in Wipeout is I think is what it's called. Oh shoot. Yeah. Is right. Oh.
One watching you.
That is why it said.
One watching your show.
It's not. No. You can't because guess what? It's not.
What if I just
Yeah, that's big. That choose a side. Take me to yellow.
Take me, yellow.
Don't know that I'm gonna fall. Yeah, I knew that was gonna happen. Choose a side. It's gonna choose. It's gonna pick yellow again. So watch. Watch this. Watch it. Watch. Oh,
Then go to blue.
it's gonna choose blue. Mark my word, because everyone's on it. It's gonna choose blue. Really? Woohoo! No. Wait, come on. I can't move. Okay, there we go. Don't watch out. Don't PG Gaming has bomb. Yeah. Oh. I oofed. Banana. Banana! Banana! Banana. Who has the weapon? Who's gonna explode? Because I remember when we were playing airplane. Oh, reach the top without being murdered. On it. Okay. I'm about to get murdered. Oh, screw you! Okay, yep. I knew that. I knew that was gonna happen. Oh my gosh, that scared me. Okay, it's gonna go that way. It's gonna go that way. Okay, so if I come on this side. Here we go. Yeah, Dylan PG Gaming has reached the top, suckers. Get up here, fools. Get up here. Yeah. Dino. Oh, really? That's a little weird. A little sussy. Deliver the pizza to the correct. 35. 35. Where's 35? Where the heck is 35? Oh, 35. Go. 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 There we go. I did it.
Hey, me banana.
Me banana. Yeah. Banana. Banana. Yo! You. Dino. Wait, that. Wait. Dino. Bro. Boar. Roar. Wait. My dog. I don't know why I wanted to say that so badly. Wait. I clicked the button. I clicked that button. I clicked the button. Look at my beautiful self. Oh, it's like a piggy. It's an R6, but it's an R15. I know. Get off. Get off. Come on, get off.
Get off.
You mean. You all mean. Wait. I have a plan. I'm trying to find it. Oh! Oh! Find the hole in the wall. Bro, how did I do that? Find that hole in the wall. Find that hole in the hole. Oh, it's coming from this side now. Oh, no it's not. Get ready. Uh-oh. No! Screw you! Why? No! I'm only 15 minutes into the video. Why?
That's it.
Okay, but there's copyright on this track, then you're paying for it. Yay! Yeah! Hurry to the ground. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. The Crusher. Crusher. I did it. Okay, I'm just gonna be clicking. You are lucky or unlucky. Yeah, goodbye. A bomb. Choose a side. Watch me die, everyone. Watch this. I'm done. It's gonna be pink. See what I mean? It's always pink. Or it's always where I am. So let's face it. I'm unlucky. Come to my house. It's gonna be a maze for you guys to get out. Let's see. A bomb. Oh my gosh. 1,600, 200, 140, 130, 110. No. Let's see. Game passes. No. Was blessed and got a higher walk speed. No! No, you did not. Big brain. Yeah, that's me. I got my big brain. Okay, let's just click. Watch for the raining bombs. Oh, gosh. And we got big brains. Well, I've got big brain. Oh, my gosh. OMG. OMG, Griffin. Oh, don't you hit me. I watch out for the raining booms. I watch out for the raining booms. Oh, stay away from me, fool. Just click it. Come on. Click, 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 click it. Click it. Oh, screw you. Watch out. Yeah. Oh, no. Oh. I thought he took the button with me. With him. So there's no button? Shoot! 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 I hate these swords. I hate them. I hate them! How did I live? Die! Come on. That looked like Boss Baby right there. Okay. Okay, so... Okay. Let's just wait. Fight. Come on. Good. Okay. Okay. Higher walk speed. Shoot. No. Okay, where are we? Okay, guys. So I don't know where we are. It's like a maze. It's amazing. I'm kidding. Okay. Next update at. Oh, that's a dead end. Come on, girl. Let's do this. Okay, so we went in a big circle. That's also a dead end. Oh. Oh. Acid is spreading, okay. At least I clicked the button though. Hee. Boing boing. Get it. Get it. Click it. Okay. Watch out for snowballs. Uh-oh. Don't worry, just stay in one place. Everything's gonna be alright. Okay, never mind. I lied. Oh. Right here, everything's gonna be alright. Okay, never mind, I lied. Right here, everything's gonna be alright. Right here, everything's gonna be alright. You lucky or nope, nope, nope. Yeah. Yeah. Oh yeah, stay back. Click it. Survive the falling pads. Uh-oh. Okay, great. Yep, so this is my life now. Okay, yep. This is my life. Shoo! Oh my gosh. So now I know what it feels like to stinking almost die. Okay. Okay. Yes, I'll be alright. Even though that I know I won't. Shoot! No! I got under the bed! No! No! No. So guys, thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure to subscribe, like, and hit the bell. Bye guys.